Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the Pentagon's latest annual report and its revelations about the People's Liberation Army, PLA. Let's get into how advanced technology like drones and AI is reshaping modern warfare and the geopolitical tensions involving the US, China, and Russia. So, the future of drones and robotics is looking massive, both as a business opportunity and in terms of their impact on military operations. Elon Musk has been vocal about this, emphasizing the critical need for TSMC's continuous chip supply to support these technologies. The Pentagon's report highlights the weaknesses of the PLA and the challenges faced by the U.S. military, especially concerning Taiwan. The development of rapid defense strategies, like the Rapid Defense Experiment Reserve, RDER, is crucial for deploying new technologies quickly to frontline needs. The U.S. is quite concerned about China's military capabilities, particularly in relation to Taiwan. The South China Morning Post has reported extensively on this, focusing on how Taiwan's military preparations and U.S. arms sales are influencing the dynamics in the region. Geopolitical tensions are heating up, with political turmoil around figures like Wenzhong and implications for leaders like Chairman Wenzhe. The shifting power dynamics are evident, with Russia and China facing significant pressures and the U.S. leveraging advanced tech for real-time military coordination. Speaking of technology, advancements like SpaceX's Starlink system are game-changers. They provide real-time communication for precision strikes, enhancing operational efficiency and showcasing the future of modern warfare. The Pentagon's report is a stark reminder of the evolving landscape of global military power. With these advancements and shifting alliances, the geopolitical chess game is more intense than ever. What are your thoughts on these developments? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth discussions on global issues.